Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is naturally Tima. I make videos on hair growth, how to take care of natural hair, how to grow thick healthy hair. So if that is what you want to be seen, then please subscribe to my video and give this video a thumbs up. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying aloe vera juice as a pre-poo, and trust me guys, I love it. That's just the truth. I love it. So I had some aloe vera that I planted. There, as a natural growing your hair, it's not everything that you should be buying. There are some things you should be growing yourself. So yeah. So after picking the aloe vera, I got a bowl of water and I put the aloe vera in there. If you don't know, there is one thing that you should know with regards to aloe vera. Aloe vera is good for skin, hair health, but then it has some yellowish poison on it. So when you pluck or buy an aloe vera, make sure you soak it in the water for at least 30 minutes so that all the poison will come out. So that is what I did here. I just soak it into the water for about 15 to 30 minutes for that juice or that poison to come out. You see like it's a yellowish color. So after that I got a bowl and then I'm going to these are the aloe veras. So I took it out of the water, and make sure when you're using the aloe vera also, those sharp edges, make sure you cut it off because it's also not good for the hair. It can cause itchiness on your scalp. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to be cutting it, and yeah, so that I'll be able to get the juice. And you guys can see that I'm taking that white part off. You also should take it. So when I started scooping, right, I started using knife, but then I saw that the skin of the aloe vera was coming out. So make sure when you're scooping the aloe vera gel, you use spoon. It makes it very easy for you. If you use knife, you just chop everything, sure. So that's what I'm going to be doing to get all the juice. Guys, aloe vera is really good for the hair. It promotes hair growth. It's fight against dandruff. It's a very good for natural hair. Aloe vera is like one of the most basic hair growth nutrients or hair growth plants for if you want to get faster hair growth nutrients in aloe vera. So I'm just going to scoop off the gel from the aloe vera. Yeah, so if you like my videos, please feel free to subscribe, give my videos thumbs up, and feel free to leave any comments in the comment section below, and I would really appreciate it. Please subscribe. So after getting the juice off, right, some people blend it, but at this time I didn't have a blend, or I didn't have light, so I couldn't blend it. But then I took this like meshed hair tie, and I just put it there and I just squeeze the gel. You guys can see. So the reason for this is that to get rid of any bumps or residues in your hair. Yeah, so I'm just going to squeeze the aloe vera there. So guys, I squeeze it and this was the amount of juice I got. I'm pretty happy about this because the aloe veras are small. So yeah, I just put it in a bowl for application. So on this day I was doing my wash day and my hair was tangled, matted, dry, and so I wanted to use aloe vera to just prepare my hair. So after putting it in a applicator bottle, I put some oils, some almond and mint oil. There you can use any oil of your choice, it doesn't matter. So after that, I sectioned my hair into two sections and I first detangled. My god, guys, this was like 3 to 4 weeks braids that I had on, and I took it out and my hair was really matted, tangled. But this aloe vera did justice to my hair, and I'm not overemphasizing out it. It made detangling very much simple, like 100% simple. You can see like the slick is wonderful. It's just immaculate. So after section the hair and detangling it with the aloe vera gel, I just put it in twist and I repeat the process. Just applied it, and make sure you apply the product to your ends, because the ends are the oldest part of your hair. And I also didn't know you guys can see. I'm sure you guys, the way the video is going, you will think I'll be very harsh, or I'm very, hard on my hair, but no, it's because the video is on fast mode. That's why you guys can see. But aloe vera did so much justice to my hair. So I just repeated this section in my hair, and firstly I detangle with my hands, and or another tip also to reduce shedding during wash days. Make sure you always detangle with your hands first before a comb. So detangle with your hands and then with a comb. So I'm just going to do that with two other sections, and it made, oh my god, aloe vera is marvelous. So after everything, I put my hair in a shower cap. I couldn't film that part, and this is me rinsing it. And guys, look at the, so these are the results. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.